So the guy wants 2 whole boxes and 3 pieces. Do I have enough to give him the 3 pieces? No. So what do I have to do? We're going to open a box, and we'll have how many whole boxes left? 6. And then we're going to bring that box over. Remember, it has 4 pieces in it. And we add it to the 1. So I always say open and add these 2 numbers. The 1 piece that I had plus the 4 that I'm bringing over. 4 and 1 is what? What's 4 and 1? 5. So I now have 5 pieces sitting on the counter. Now can I go ahead and give him the 3 pieces that he needs? Yes. 5 minus 3 is 2/4. 6 minus 2 is 4. And we can simplify it. I'm going to put it right up here. 2, 4, and 1/2. And find your answer everywhere you see it. You're going to put the letter E. But there has to be another one. I think that's it. Okay. So, all right. Let's, I'm going to actually start on the bottom. I'm going to start from this end. Okay. Let's go ahead and go over here. So, I've got 79 packages and 2 pieces on my shelf. A guy comes in, wants 14 boxes and 5 loose chocolates. Do I have enough to give him? 5 loose chocolates? No, because I've only got 2 on the shelf. So who knows what I need to do?
You need to take one from the whole.
We're going to open one of the boxes. And so now we're going to have 1 less. We'll have 78. And we're going to add now these 2 numbers. Because the box that's coming over has 7 pieces in it, and I had 2 from before. So 7 plus 2, cross out that 2, I now have 9 pieces. Right. Then can I give him the 5 that he wants?
Yes.
Yes. So 9 minus 5 is 4/7. And then 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. And I think that's reduced all the way. Okay. All right, so
7 is a prime number.
7 is a prime number, doesn't go into the other one. And so everywhere you see that answer, put the letter N.
N on the power of both sections.
I think that's it.
There's one right below.
I think we've got the 2. Yeah, we've got both of those.
Oh, yeah.
All righty. We'll do maybe 2 more. So on this one, now the boxes all hold 12. No. All right. So all the boxes hold 12. And I've got 5 pieces on the shelf. But my customer comes in and wants to take out 56 boxes, which I have. But do I have 7 loose pieces?
Mm-hmm.
I do.
7 right there. Oh.
But here's my shop. So do I have up here the 7 pieces to give him? No, I can't take 5 minus 7. So who can tell me what do I need to do?
2.
Okay, Sam, what would I do?
You have to.
So we're taking 1 whole box. So I've got 93 boxes left.
And then from the whole boxes, there's going to be 12 in there.
Uh-huh. And we already had 5. So what do I do with these 2 numbers? You just add them. 12 pieces that's coming over plus 5 that I have, I've got 17. And then, I think we can subtract then. 17 minus 12 is 17 minus 7. Allegra, focus, ma'am. 17 minus 7 is what? Gianni, 17 minus 7? People, that's easy. It's 10. Okay, and on this one, I'm going to take 93 minus 56 up here because I don't want to make a big mess. So I'm going to pre-borrow So that's going to be 4, that's going to be 7, and that's going to be 3. Okay. So 37. However, can 10 over 12 be simplified?
Yeah, too.
Allegra, focus. Yeah, we can cut it in half. So our final answer here is 37 and 5 over 6. And is that on the first row or the second row?
The
Second row. So it gets the letter I. It is right here.
no.
Okay. And then, so let's go over to, we're going to do the word problems, but first of all, I want to do this one. Look at the letter U. What's different about the letter U? Okay, so what could I put for none? What number?
0.
Put a 0. Put 0. I have 0 on my table, and it's, if I had a box, I'd put it over 12. I match that box. So now you do the same exact thing. The guy comes into my store and wants 5, but I have 0. So what do I have to do?
No, I don't have to.
Gianni, what would I have to do?
You would have to add 12.
Okay, now I'm asking him. Hold on a second.
Add 12.
I can't add 12 yet. I haven't done something first.
You have to take away a whole from one.
Thank you. You got to take one from here, and then I can take that whole box and turn it into pieces, which it has 12 pieces in it. So I'm going to open and add these two. I'm bringing over 12 pieces. I had 0 from before. 12 and 0 is 12. So basically, I brought over that whole box, which is 12 over 12. And then I can subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7 over 12. And then 14 to 20 is 6, and 2 more is 8. Okay. And see if you see that answer somewhere. There's several of them. It's the letter U. You said in the second row? Okay. Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go down to the word problem.
I don't like
Okay, we get out of here at 10:30. So 10:30. Oh, we have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. Okay, here we go. So on this one. So this one is a little difficult, so I need you to listen. It says, how far did the nail go into the post? And I'll draw a picture for you. She's building a fence using nails that are 2.5 inches long. She drove one of the nails through a board and then into a post. So I'm going to draw. So there's a board, and then there is a post. Okay. All right. So here is a board. Here is the post, and it says that the board is 3/4 inches thick. Okay. And girls and boys. Johnny, sit up, please. And the post is 3 inches square. In other words, it's 3 inches on each side. And then the nail, so I'm going to read this back. The nail is 2 1/4, and they drove it through all of this. So here is the nail. The nail is, what did it say? It says the whole entire nail from here to here is 2 1/4 inches. Okay, and so here's the question. The question is, how far did the nail go just into the post? Just into the post. Who knows? Okay, put the bottle away, Jesse, right now. Who knows what I'm looking for? Well, show me what part I'm looking for. You want to come up and show us?
Thank you. Hey, I should go.
Okay.
Not explaining.
Well, show us. We're looking for just the part of the nail that goes into the post. So what part is that?
This part, right? The board.
Well, but that's going into that first part is going into the board. So who knows the only part of that nail that I need?
This part, 1/4.
That part, there you go. So all we need is this part here where it's going into the post. What part of the nail do I not need?
Southern part.
I don't need this part that's going into the board. So, girls and boys, who knows how I can find just this much?
By subtracting the 2 holes, 1/4 minus the 3/4.
Yeah, we're going to take the whole entire nail and take away that much. Who knows the number that I didn't need at all? They just put it in there to trick us.
The 3.
The 3. I didn't need the 3. I did need this.
You're useless.
So I need the girls and boys. Okay. I need the 2 1/2. So we'll do it over here. I need the, I'm sorry, 2 1/4. I need the 2 1/4. And I'm going to take away the part that went into the board. I'm taking away 3/4. So over I put minus 3/4. Okay. Then, can I take 1 minus 3?
No.
No.
You need to take it from your hole.
So we need to open up a box, and we're only going to have 1 box left. And then what do I do?
You have to add however one. Take it out and put it back in.
We add these 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now we have 5 pieces. And now can we subtract?
Yes.
So 5 minus 3 is 2 over 4 and our 1 whole. And what does that come to?
You can cut it in half. 1/2. 1
So 1 1/2 inches. So the answer is 1 1/2. Find 1 1/2 and put a letter K.
It's here, it's K. The first row and it's very important row. I don't know.
Okay, Johnny, focus. And there's another 1 1/2 here. All right, and then we'll do the word problem on the letter S. Did everybody get those? So this one is, how much farther does he have to go? So Jose decided to walk from his house to the beach. Okay, and that is altogether, it is 9 3/10. It says in the first hour, he walked 3 4/5.
Someone's house.
Okay. No, he wants to go from his house all the way to the beach. But in the first hour, he didn't make it. He just went this far. In the second hour, he walked another 2 9/10. Is that all the way to the beach? No. The question is, how much further does he have to go? So there's 2 things that we need to do. But well, before you even subtract, who knows what you have to do first?
You gotta get the 3 holes and 4 over 5 to the right area. So what?
Okay,
I'm so lost, bro.
look at this picture. How far did he go all together so far? What do I need to do with these? You have to add these 2. So let's go ahead and I'll just use this so I don't have to get a sheet of paper. Let's take this up to the very top. 3 4. Oh, by the way, what's the common denominator for 5 and 10? What's the common denominator? Is 10. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2 and this by 2. So I'm going to bring it up to the top and put 3 8/10 plus 2 9/10. So I'm going to bring it way up here. 3 8/10. And you need to show your work.
We do?
Plus, well, yes, you can't just steal my answers. And that's what it's called, is 2 9/10. So make sure you understand where I'm getting that from. I'm adding the total distance that he's gone so far. So on this one, how do you want to add that? Is one of these almost filled?
Yes.
Can we, how many more does this 9/10 need?
1.
Can I get it from the other one?
Yes.
And you can only do this. So I'm going to add 1 here,
Circle.
I'm taking it from here, so there's only going to be 7 left. And you're right, this one that's now filled, 10 over 10, I'm going to wrap it and move it. So far, who knows the total whole miles he's gone? 6 and what?
4.
7 over
10.
7 over 10. Now I've got to figure out how much further he still has to go. Well, what's his total distance so far? Well, I'm sorry, what's the total distance that he wants to go? 9 and 3/10, but he's already gone 6 and 7/10. How do I get the difference?
By subtracting.
By subtract. So I'm going to take 9 and 3/10 minus that. Well, again, we'll take it to the top. 9 and 3/10 minus that 6 and 7/10. Okay. And then again, can I take 3 minus a 7?
No.
No. So what do we have to do to get more pieces here? Sam, get focused. We have to open up a box. So we're only going to have 8 boxes left. And then we add these two numbers, 10 pieces that's coming over from the box, plus the 3 that we had, which leaves us with 13. Okay.
It's 6 over 10.
So you're right. 13 minus 7 is 6 over 10. I'm going to have to squeeze that in there. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now, can that 6 over 10 be reduced?
Yeah, by doing
So 2 and 3/5. And so we'll bring that way down here. He still has to go 2 and 3/5 mile.
On the first row and the first.
And that gets the letter S. 2 and 3/5. And it's the letter S. Is there another one?
Yes.
Yeah, over here. And you're right, on the last one in that second row. And I think that's it. Okay, so girls and boys, your job is to finish the rest of them.
There's 2 on the bottom.
Are there 2?
Yeah, it's next to Hey, I said that. It's a
Oh, yeah.
8. And then there's 1 at the bottom.
Oh yeah, you're right.
There's 1 right now.
So 2 on the bottom, and then there was 2 on the top. Okay, so again, on this page today, you will not be able to subtract unless you open a box and add those 2 numbers. So you can begin.
Can we work in harder?
Start it first, and then